Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Today we're going to look at the Fujica Single8 Z2, the very tricky handle to not really remove but get back on. So if you have this model and you've just gotten it, here's what you do. You can just simply, this little bar right here, this little silver bar, pull back on it, hold it close to the table, and it's just going to fall right off. Okay, so what you want to do is this. When you want to reattach it, these two little bars right here fit into here, okay? This one fits into here at the end of my pencil eraser. This one, of course, fits into here, and this one back here into this little hole there. All right? So, just take it simply and move it around really close there, and your aim is really and only getting these two little needles into here, and everything else falls into place essentially. All right, so just take it and aim those two in there like that. Now it's in there, but here where my thumb is, it's just not going to push in. Okay, you just can't push that in there because it's locked. See? It's locked. You have to hold it, and it's this little button right here at the end of my pencil eraser. Okay? So what you have to do, and watch up here at the same time, you'll see it's locked when you press it in. See there? Now it's locked, and you can start filming. This camera got a little bit of TLC to do, as I've mentioned before in a previous video. I just got to put a plate over on the top of that. But other than that, this camera works just fine. It's a good working camera and a good sounding camera. This particular model of Fujica is a very quiet running camera, and it's really nice. It's metal, so it's pretty heavy with the exception of the plastic handle. All right. Once you start getting into the later Fujicas, they're going to be made of plastic, and some of them run pretty loudly, you know. And so I don't prefer those. But these early ones are just really nice machines, especially this one. This is a backup camera for me, and it's great because really whoever I hand it to can operate it. It's that nice. It really, really is. So it's a good one to take care of and a great one to use. All right? Do contact me on the social media outlets provided on the screen. And remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.